I'm getting closer. It's me, Ryan, the Unofficial Official Apartment Tester. And today, obviously you can see around, it's summertime and we're by this wonderful, clean, refreshing looking pool. And today, nobody's gonna rain on my parade. So let's test this pool. One of the first things you should do before you ever get into a pool, I advise you to test the chlorine, because if pools are not chlorinated, that means bad things are gonna be floating around and then they're gonna be floating on you. So there's an easy way to do that. You can go to any big box store and you can get these little test strips. And what these test strips do is you put them in for a few seconds and then you compare them to the back. And I'll do this, I don't wanna ruin the whole thing, but make it as quick as possible. Put it in, maybe 10 seconds, and then you can read the actual levels of things. And I can see here, boom, 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 right down the middle, this pool is well taken care of. If you want to get a little chemistry set version, which is a lot more fun if you're kind of a big kid, here we go, check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops, right in the middle, as long as it's yellow, chlorine good. Now the other thing you want to check for is the pH level. So this means, basically how bad is it going to dry out your skin is the best way I can put that. How do I know this info? I know a guy who built a cinder block pool in his backyard. Here we go. And what this tells me with these glasses, we are ready to test this pool. Now that we're done testing the pool, now is the time where we got to wear the correct attire to be in the pool. So are you ready? Let's do it. Oh yeah. You got the big muscles, you got to get the big bodacious hair. Jealous? I got one more thing. Here we go. You ready? Oh yeah. It's America time. 4th of July coming up. Come on. You're jealous. Again, I can see. I got one more thing that we're gonna need. Oh, it's just getting better and better. But I think I need one more thing. Hold on 1 second. Oh yeah, you wanna see this? Check it out. I'm Jaws. I think we're almost ready to go in, but I need one more thing. Okay, I think we're finally ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. Goodbye. You shouldn't put so much stuff on when you jump.